Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about AI. Nowadays we listen AI word from everywhere like social media, news, corporate discussions. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं AI हम अपनी लाइफ में डे टू डे यूज करते हैं डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली. वेलकम टू द AI वर्ल्ड. What is AI? AI stand for the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a field in computer science. The term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy. Artificial intelligence involves in creating a machines and system that can perform the task typically requiring a human intelligence such as learning, reasoning, problem solving ability. It transforming how we are interacting with technology and the world around us. जानेंगे AI ऐसे कैसे कर पाता है. AI is trained on large set of data. AI use LLM. LLM stand for large language model. You may heard about the Chat GPT, Bard, Gemini. These model use LLM. AI system collect the data from wide range of sources like books, websites, sensors, social media, text, number. Machine learning. As we know, human learn from past experiences. Machine learn from the instruction given by the human. If human train the machine to learn from past data and do the task much faster than earlier, then call the machine learning. But here is a lot of more than learning. It is also about the understanding and reasoning. It will give the power to machine to take the decision. Example of the machine learning is a playing a game with computer. Like computer can play the game of chess like human and take the decision accordingly. Is assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant. Application of AI chatbot for the customer support. Chatbot is trained on predefined questions and answer. Chatbot basically need to assist the customer. Here the user input the query and chatbot respond with suitable answer. This help customer to solve the problem without connecting with the customer care executive and no call waiting for call. When we do the online shopping, AI suggests the product automatically based on our historical purchase or on search history. It also helps in the cross selling of the product. Like when you buy a mobile phone, it will suggest to buy a mobile cover and other accessories. AI help in the healthcare industry. AI scanning the medical images and report to help the doctor to identify the disease in early stage. Finance and banking. AI can play an important role in detecting the financial fraud. AI can flag the unusual and suspicious transaction in early stage. AI-enabled robots are used in manufacturing industry. Robot can work continuously for longer period of time without taking any break. रोबोट इज यूज टू परफॉर्म द कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्क. जिस काम को करने में ह्यूमन लाइफ को थ्रेट होता है उस काम को रोबोट्स की मदद से इजीली किया जाता है. बिलो आर द टॉप एआई टूल्स आर अवेलेबल. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.